Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Shoot Arena or Play Arena. Everyone shows interest in playing games. Everyone has their own strength and power in playing games. Playing games can make the human brain active. It acts like a part of exercise that everybody shows the interest. Playing in team make us learn unity. At present, as building growing faster, we are not finding place to play the games. So sometimes we may not find the people to make a team. Here we are providing a website where you can play the games. So this is the website. Here we have two modules like administrator and player. So let's see the flow of this website. This is the flow diagram of the website. Here the admin will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, the admin will add the shooting places with by adding the shooting place name, address, and email address and phone number. By adding the place details, the admin will add the shooting places and view the shooting places in the view shooting places page. So in that view shooting places page, we have two buttons like add cabins and view cabins. In that, by clicking the add cabins button, the admin will add the cabins to this website by adding the name and place timings. So by giving the timings, the admin will add the cabins and view the cabins in view cabins page. After adding the cabins, the times will be separated as a slots. Times will be separated as a slots, and those slots will be viewed in the view type slots page. So after separating the slots, the admin will add the holidays to this website, and by entering the holiday name and date, the admin will add the holidays and view the holidays in view holidays page. After adding this, the player will register into the website with the player name, email address, phone number, and address of the player. So by adding all information about the players, they'll get registered into the website and log in into the website with the registered email address and password. After login, the player can view the shooting places which are added by admin, and they can also view the cabins which are added by admin only. So after viewing the cabins, they can book the cabins and book the slots by selecting the slots. The cabins will be booked. So after booking, they'll enter after book cabins button. They'll enter into the payment page by clicking the pay amount button. The payment page will be displayed. In that payment page, by adding the card number and CVV number, card holder number. So by entering all the details about the bank of the player, so they'll pay the amount for that particular booking. So after booking the slots, this all the bookings data will be displayed in the view bookings page. So this booking request will be sent to the admin, and the admin can view the bookings in the view bookings page. Players bookings will be displayed on the view bookings page of admin. And after viewing the bookings, the admin can view the payment details, and after the completion of the slot, they can click on the complete schedule, and the complete admin can complete the schedule of the player. So this is the flow of this website. So we'll see the output here. This is the website homepage, and here I'm logging into the admin page now. So with the username admin and password. This is the homepage for admin. Here the admin can add the shooting places with the place name. So place name, phone number, and opening time. Closing time. Email address. @gmail.com and address. So added place successfully. After adding the shooting places, they can view the shooting places and view shooting places page. And here we have two buttons like cabin, add cabin and view cabin. So I'm adding the cabin here with the cabin number, shooting range, enter the price per slot. So for each slot, the first players can pay the 1500, add cabin added successfully. After adding the cabins, they can view the cabins. And in that we have two buttons like view bookings and also view time slots. The timings opening and closing timings will be separated as a time slots. So I'm clicking the time slots here. So this is the time slot 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. Two slots here. So after adding the time slots, admin will add the holidays. So I'm giving the Sunday and on add holiday and view holidays. This is the holidays for that particular shooting space. Player will get registered into the website with the name, email address, phone number, and password. So after registration, player will get logged in into the website with the registered email address and password. So this is the homepage for player. Here the player can view the shooting places which are added by admin and view the cabins and book the slots by clicking the book slots buttons. So by selecting this select the slot button, after selecting the slots, the book cabins will be clicked, and after clicking on the book cabins button, the payment will be displayed here like this. After pay now, we'll click on the pay now button, and after that we'll enter into the payment section. So this is the card. Choose the card type and card name, holder name, card number, and this card number must be in 16 digits. CVV number, expiry date, payment successful. So after payment, this can be viewed in the view bookings page, displayed in the view bookings page. Here the status will be booked. So by here we have two buttons like cancel booking and view booking payment details. So if they want to cancel the booking, they can click on the cancel button and players can cancel the booking. By clicking the view payments details, the payment details will be displayed like this. So after the payment, admin will log in into the website and view bookings. Payment details will be displayed like this. So after completion of the schedule, they'll click on the complete schedule button, booking scheduled. Booking will be scheduled, and after that, the player status also be changed. So we'll check on the players. Here the status will be scheduled. So after scheduling, the player will go to the shooting place and play the game. So this is the shooting arena or play arena website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.